Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a full face of NYX. Yes, all of this whole bead is NYX, which equals drugstore, which equals affordable, okay? I cheated with like one product, but other than that, everything on my face right now is NYX, and I'm so happy with the way this turned out. I'm obsessed with the look, I'm obsessed with the skin, I'm obsessed with the lips, and she is the star of today's show, okay? So grab your cafecito and let's jump right in and let's do a full face beat using only NYX products. Let's get into it. We're gonna get started, and because we are doing a colorful look on the eyes, I am starting off with the eyes today. We're gonna take the NYX Ultimate I Know That's Bright palette. So this is, I think, either reformulated or just repackaged. I've already primed my lids. I am going to start off with the color blue. Well, this kind of like turquoise color, and I'm gonna take that all over. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this blue. This blue has a little bit of shimmer, but I think we can work with that. And I'm gonna take that in the outer corner. I'm gonna take some more of that darker blue. This is just gonna be just in the outer corner. And then I'm gonna switch it to a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take the purple, that one right there. I'm gonna use that to blend out the blue. Oh. Okay, so far the pigment on this is really nice. Like, it's not chalky and it's blending out very softly. The colors are beautiful together. I'm just grabbing some more and tapping it in. So the more that you build on the color, the more it shows up, definitely. So if you're having trouble with like color payoff, you just have to really build on the color to get that like super saturated look. I'm gonna go back with more of that blue and intensify it a little more. I'm going to take a fluffier brush, and now I'm going to tap into the pink, which is this one. Yeah, let's do this one right here. And that one we're going to concentrate it on the inner corner right there. And alongside with tapping it, we're going to start blending it and merging it with the blue and the purple. And I'm going to bring this up to like my inner corner because she kind of has it blown out and it looks really pretty. Very like editorial almost. Going back with a little bit of that purple, and I'm just intensifying it and adding a little more. Now the only difference is that she does a blue shimmer all over the lid, and unfortunately, if you can see here, there is no blue shimmer, and I do want to stick with just doing an all NYX look. So I think I'm gonna go for the green in this because it looks really, really pretty. Or should I do the purple? Let's see. Ooh, I think we're gonna do the green. Oh my gosh. Oh, hello, pigment. That is very shimmery. Wow. Oh, wow. And mind you, I have like obviously like no glitter glue, nothing. That is so pretty. Wow. The blue would have looked absolutely just amazing, but again, I did it when I have to dig into another palette because I just wanted to stay true to today's video. That is gorgeous. For the inner corner, she does like a bright green, so I don't have a bright green, so I think I'm gonna have to go in with this yellow, which will honestly look really pretty against that green. So I am gonna take it right here. Honestly, this kind of worked out just fine because the colors still work together. since it's like yellow, green, and the pink. So that's really pretty. Let's work on this eye. Eyes are done. I went in with a black eyeliner from NYX. I'm starting off with the Plump Right Back with electrolytes. I honestly don't even remember how this feels or smells or anything because it's been a few years since I've tried it, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna apply that as our primer, even though you guys know I don't do primers really anymore. But today we are going all out because NYX is that girl. If I had one brand to pick from, I feel like it would be NYX because their lippies are life, like their eyeshadows. The quality is insane. Foundations, I feel like that's the only thing that they kind of like slack in, but even then, they have at least two really good foundations. Oh, I forgot she was sticky. Okay. I think I'm gonna like that. The primer has dried down and I did not realize how like tacky this primer actually is. Like, hello? And she hydrates at the same time. She has electrolytes. I think I need a new one. Okay, let's go in with the foundation. Now, the foundation is gonna be light, okay? I have not bought a new shade. Do I plan on it? Possibly. But I'm also planning on being extra tan this summer, so there's that. Oh my gosh, this foundation is seriously goals. Full coverage, lightweight, breathable, matte, everything a girl wants in a foundation. She's it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so white. Okay, maybe I do need a foundation, a new foundation shade. Yeah. Well, I guess I will just have to run with it and really apply a ton of bronzer, which I don't think NYX has any cream bronzers. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section down below. But I don't think they have any cream bronzers. I'm trying to think. I know they have some cream blushes, but I personally didn't like them too much. I thought they were a little too sheer for my personal liking. But I do have a powder bronzer, so we're gonna load up on that. Since I don't have any like cream products besides my concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and just conceal now. I'm gonna use the Pro Fix Stick. This is in the shade Soft Beige. Honestly, this is such a good concealer and it got its hype when it first came out. And then I just don't hear anybody talking about this specific color or concealer anymore. And it's great. It's like really creamy. It's full coverage and it blends really, really nice. So I'm just going to use my little brush to blend this out. We are going to be looking very pale today. And my daughter just came in and asked me if we could go to Ross. I'm like, looking like this? Okay. Okay, that looks really good. I was going to go in with the Bear With Me concealer, but I don't think I need it. Like that was really good. Set my skin off camera. Let's go in with the bronzer. I'm going in with the Buttermelt bronzer in the shade Butta Off. Honestly, this is one of the bronzers that I hardly ever reach for. I think it might be the undertone that just is kind of like meh to me. It's a little red, and you guys know how I feel about that. It's like those are not the colors that I go for. Although I do feel like a lot of you seem to agree that this tone suits me. I don't know. It's just one of those things that I can't get by. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try to do a really good job at loading this up. I like to pack it on and then like blend it into my hand. By the way, this has almost like a silky finish to it, which is not completely matte. Oh my gosh, okay. That was a little too much. We're gonna have to blend that out. This has a really nice silky, almost, yeah, like a silk finish. It's not luminous, but it's not completely matte. I don't know. This formula is really nice, and honestly, their blushes are some of my favorite from the drugstore. But again, it's just ones that I hardly don't reach for some reason. All right, let's try to blend this out. I feel like the foundation is definitely looking better. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit more, just a little more here. And then I'm gonna bring some right here to the jawline because I feel like this truly makes a difference on like the way the whole face looks, right? Because if you have so much color here and it's just like plain here, it's just very flat. And then for blush, I'm going to add this one from NYX. I should have done a pink blush, but I don't have a pink blush from them. Let me know which pink blush from their Buttermelt collection I should get next. This is Had Butta, which is a nice like tangerine. I mean, it'll still look really pretty, but pink should have definitely been the color choice because it just goes better. I'm going to apply this right here. I'm going to try to keep most of the color back here since the eyes are pretty bright. Okay, let's set the skin because I don't have a highlighter, but I do have a lippy product. So we're going to set the skin and then I'm going to finish the bottom of the eyes off the camera. I'm going to use the NYX, the Marshmallow setting spray. It is a matte finish makeup setting spray. And honestly, this one is really good. And again, I forget about it. It just hit me right on the eye. Oh my gosh, why is this so aggressive? For the lower lash line, I did cheat a little bit. I used this City Color Aquatic FX little pigment. It's just a blue liner because I don't have any liners from NYX. So I think, again, I need to make a little Ulta trip and get me a few more things. Then I went back to the Ultimate, I know it's bright palette, and I took the green from that palette and I just brought it to my lower lash line, just right here, to connect that green that we have on the lid. And it just really makes everything pop. A little bit of the yellow, and we added that into the inner corner to just tie the green with all the other colors. And then I went back and added a little bit more green on the lids because you can never have enough shimmer. Let's finish it off with the lips. I think I'm going to go in with my favorite lip liner, which is brown. Oh, my lips are so dry, can you guys tell? I'm going to take Dainty Days, which you guys know is my favorite lipstick of all time. It's just a very pale color, and I think it looks really good with today's look since it's very bright. And I'm actually going to dig a little bit into this NYX palette. I don't know if NYX actually still sells it, but I find mine on Amazon. And I'm going to add a little more, there we go, a little more contrast to the lip liner. I'm going to finish it off with the best gloss ever. It is Fortune Cookies from NYX. It is the Ultimate Nude Gloss. If you like the very pale color of lip gloss, this is it. This and Madeline, my favorite. You guys, I fear I absolutely ate with this look. Mind you, this is, you know, a total recreation of another creator, but the skills are still there, okay? So that is it. There you have it. A full face using only NYX products. I am so happy. I hope you guys enjoy and recreate this look. Don't forget to tag me on all of my social media accounts. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!